Hello dear kids. Hope you all are fine. Today's video features fill in the blanks from the chapter Living and Non-Living Things. Before we start looking into the video, I would suggest you to go through the video till the end as I have covered all the fill in the blanks from the chapter. So let's start with the video. Number 1. A dash is one that has life in it. What is the answer? The answer is living thing. A living thing is one that has life in it. Number 2. Things which do not have life in them are called dash things. The answer is non-living things. Number 3. Both living and non-living things make our dash. The answer is environment. Both living and non-living things make our environment. Number 4. Non-living things are either made by dash or by dash. The answer to this fill-in is non-living things are either made by humans or by nature. Number 5. Natural non-living things are found in dash. The answer is nature. Natural non-living things are found in nature. Number 6. Man-made non-living things are made by dash. The answer is by human beings. Man-made non-living things are made by human beings. Number 7. Dash do not move from one place to another. Any guess? Plants do not move from one place to another. Number 8. Non-living things can't dash on their own. The answer is non-living things can't move on their own. Do they move? No. Non-living things, they can't move. Number 9. Dash and dash keep changing and growing all the time. The answer is plants and animals keep growing and changing all the time. Number 10. All living things need dash and dash. So what do we need? We need food and water. Number 11. Dash get their food from plants or other animals. Any idea, children? It's animals. Animals get their food from plants or other animals. Number 12. Dash make their own food. Who can make their own food? It's plants. Plants make their own food. Number 13. Dash can feel. Can you guess? Living things can feel. Now let's come to question number 14. Dash do not feel anything. It is non-living thing that do not feel anything. Number 15. Living things need dash to live. What do they need to live? They need air to live. Number 16. Human beings and most animals breathe air through nose. We breathe through our nose. Number 17. Human beings take dash and breathe out dash. Human beings take oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So please remember, we always take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Number 18. Fish breathe through their dash. Its answer is fish breathe through their gills. So please do remember, fish breathe through their gills. Number 19. Dash and dash breathe through their skin. They are earthworms and leeches breathe through their skin. Number 20. Dash breathe through air holes in their body. Any guess, kids? They are insects which breathe through air holes in their body. Insects have air holes through which they breathe. Number 21. Dash breathe through stomata. Kids, Do you have any idea which living things breathe through stomata? They are plants that breathe through stomata. Now come to 22. Dash things do not breathe. It is non-living things which do not breathe. Number 23. Most plants have dash that give rise to new plant. Any idea, kids? Plants have seeds that give rise to new plant. Now come to 24. All the dash move from one place to another in search of food. Now which living things move from one place to another? All the animals move from one place to another in search of food. Number 25. Most plants remain fixed to the dash. Kids, we all know plants remain fixed to the soil. Now come to 26. Dash and dash are two very common water plants. They are algae and seaweeds that are two very common water plants. Number 27. Plants like dash feed upon decaying bodies of plants and animals. They are mushroom that feed upon decaying bodies of plants and animals. Number 28. Dash lay eggs or give birth to their young ones. They are animals that lay eggs or give birth to their young ones. Number 29. All the plants breathe through tiny pores on their dash. Kids, plants breathe through tiny pores on their leaves. Now come to 30. Animals use their dash to feel and understand their surroundings. Animals have sense organs to feel and understand their surroundings. Number 31. Non-living things which were once alive are dash and dash. They are petroleum and coral reefs. Please do remember, kids, petroleum and coral reefs were once alive, but now they have become non-living things. Number 32. Vehicles, although non-living, are fitted with dash and dash which make them move. Now we know vehicles have motors and engines which make them move. Thanks for watching, my dear kids. If you like the video, do hit a like, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel for further updates.